Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I have another quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. As usual, here's an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the haul, I ended up picking up a couple packs of the Dempster's hamburger buns. And from time to time they get these in. They do tend to go fairly quickly, so I picked up a couple packs. I also picked up this 1 liter Allen's lemonade, which we really enjoy. This is a repeat buy. I did pick up a pack of these before, and I find that these are really great for freezing. We take our yogurt and then put them in here and make little yogurt pops. And sometimes you just want a little something cold, but not a whole big popsicle. So we've really been enjoying these. You get 4 mini silicone popsicle handles in the mold. So it is BPA free and it is by Angel of Mine. I also picked up some plackers. Last haul, I believe it was, I picked up the adult, but these are the kids. And they are dental flossers with fluoride. You get 40 and the flavor is mixed berry. In the crafting section, I noticed a few new decor pieces. So they have normally had their wooden word signs, but the difference with these is that they have the wooden beads to hang it up. So I thought that was really cute. And the 2 that I found were blessed as well as family. And anytime they have any house decor pieces, I love to pick it up. These ones here I thought were so pretty, so I did pick up 2 of each. They had the white, faux white wash look, and then they had the natural wood look, of course faux, but it also had the wooden beads where it looks like a little wreath. It has the buffalo check bow and then some greenery. So I thought these were really, really nice. I just wanted to point out with these particular items, if you haven't seen them at your Dollar Tree, I just noticed right now that it is a new company. They are called Birch and Vine, where value and style meet. Over in the party section, I came across this new item that I haven't seen before. And for anyone who loves decorating with balloons, then I'm sure you will like this. It is a balloon tower stand. So here you can see once it's complete, it is 3 feet tall, which is really nice. I haven't opened it up yet, but these are some of the pieces that come inside of the pack. So I'm really actually excited to make a few of these and see how they look. And the last item that I have to share with you is an item that I shared in my last haul. And when I went back this week, I decided to pick up some more. If you hadn't seen my last haul, I did look these up on Walmart.com, and the exact same size of this product was selling for $19.97. So this is the 1-of-1 Milk It Shimmer Hydro Fluid, and you get 1.2 fluid ounces, 35 mils, and I think that is a phenomenal deal. Had I picked these 4 up at Walmart, I would have spent $80 US before tax. But instead, I was able to pick these up for $1.50 each at Dollar Tree. That is an amazing deal. Well guys, that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.